How to change your name on Discord. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile icon or picture at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're here, from the user settings section, click on my account, and from the account information section, click on username. And here you will be able to change your name with a new one, say for example like this. And once you do that, and once you're done, click on the save button at the bottom right of the screen to save the changes. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your name in Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.